Please subscribe.
I'm removing the console so I can get to the blend draft door motor to replace it. I'm removing these 4 screws inside the armrest, so I just flipped it open. I'm going to take them out. To get to that motor, you need to remove the console, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just removing all these little bolts, unconnecting the harnesses, and it's over on the driver's side, in my case, underneath the console. I'm using a mirror so I can help see the bolts I got to take off. There's 3 on that white plastic. That's the motor. It's very tight. It's hard to get your hand in there, so I had to take part of the dash apart, and you'll see that coming up here in a second. I removed the panel where your knees are on the driver's side, and you're seeing that here, so I can look through the opening. You can see the top bolt right there. I removed the 3 bolts and replaced the motor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.